Hi, I'm from Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to add shift lock in Roblox Studio using two easy methods for both PC and mobile. Step 1. First, open Roblox Studio and make sure the Explorer panel is turned on from the View tab. If it's not showing, click on View at the top and then select Explorer to make it appear on the right side. Step 2. Now check if the Properties panel is visible at the bottom. If it's missing, go back to the View tab and click on Properties, which is right next to Explorer, to turn it on. Step 3. In the Explorer, click on Starter Player, and then in the Properties section, scroll down to the Controls area. Here, enable the Mouse Lock option by checking the box. This activates Shift Lock on PC. Step 4. To test it, press play and try holding Shift. Your camera should now lock and follow the character's movement. Once confirmed, stop the test and close the play mode. Step 5. For mobile, use the link in the description to get the Shift Lock button model. Click Get Model on the page, and it will be added to your inventory automatically. Step 6. Back in Roblox Studio, open the toolbox from the Home tab, go to the My Models section, and insert the Shift Lock button. Drag it from Workspace to Starter GUI, and now it's ready for mobile users. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue.